everyone, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. So today I've got another recipe for you all. I will be making a fish pie recipe. So I've been trying to get really a lot of new recipes recently, and I've made this 2 weeks ago, and it's my own very recipe. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy this video. So you need 2 of these packets. You can get this fish from Asda. It is frozen fish. You can also use cod if you like, but you can get from Asda or Tesco, wherever you like. The next thing to do is add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and just cut some butter over and just pop it on the tray. I've used Anchor butter. And I'm going to pop it in the oven for around 30 minutes on gas mark 7. I did a small block of butter, half a glass of milk, and I'm just going to mash it all up. So I've added some cheese and I'm just going to mash it up. So the mash is all done. Now to prepare for the parsley sauce. Pop some milk into a pan. I'm going to allow it to get warm, but I'm not going to let it boil, and that will be going into the parsley sauce. For the parsley sauce, add a block of butter. I've added 5 tablespoons of plain flour. Ensure that you are whisking the whole time, and do not stop whisking. Add a handful of fresh parsley and continue to stir. If you continue stirring, you should get a consistency like this. So I've cut the fish into small pieces, and I'm now going to add to the pan. I've added the fish in, and I've also given it a stir, and now I'm going to butter this pan up. I'm going to add the mixture, add the mash, and then I'll show you what to do next. I did the parsley sauce and fish, then spread over the mash, and then add some cheese. I've added some breadcrumbs and I've just sprinkled them over. I'm now going to pop it in the oven on gas mark 6 for about 15 minutes. We have here a yummy, tasty fish pie.